Guys, we are out in the pig garden. Today is episode 1 of 2019 gardening season, and I'm so excited. My onions showed up today, and the majority of them are going to be planted here in the pig garden. So I've got Todd out here helping me stake out where the different Ruth Stout beds are going, and I can then work on getting all this hay and straw that he threw over from the goat shelter from the winter and lay out my beds. So I don't think we're going to get the whole thing done today, but we'll at least get as far as where my onion bed's going to be. And maybe I'll go over and check some more of the bales and see if they've dried out at all. But yeah, I'm so excited. My hands are going to get dirty.
How wide is the first one?
6. Thank you. Yep. So I've been coming out here as it's been drying out and raking like where the pigs, you know, rooted it up against the fence level. And I've been working on all the ruts and leveling those out. But all my tools are broken. So like, here's my last hoe that I was working with. It completely cracked off. I've just been using old, like, leftover tools that were kind of just laying around the farm when we bought it. But I think I've got it pretty good enough. Other than where their wallow was, that needs a lot of work.
How far down are you?
Just to where it's tilled right there, that,
Right here?
Yep. Well, I got this row done. This is going to be a big tomato sunflower patch. I've got this row done. I was going to do pumpkins here, but I think I'm going to do corn instead. And then I still have the next row, third row to do, and that's going to be where the onions go. But I'm thinking with all that pig poop and how good, like this soil looks great, how good they tilled it, I think it's going to be good. I hope. Okay guys, so the pig garden prep is about halfway done. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I've got 3, probably I would say 24 by 6 beds laid out. So that, to remind you what I said at the beginning, this was tilled up by the pigs. They left the property in December. And I got out here and I worked it to fill in all the ruts, spread out their manure a bit. And now I actually have to go back in the house and rework my pig garden plan, because after being out here and seeing what I actually have to work with, I think I'm going to do something a little bit different. So it's probably a good thing I didn't put out my 2019 garden plan video yet, because I'm going to change up some things. I'll probably have 4 or 5 more beds to lay out, but it's still a little bit more soggy over on that end of the paddock. But maybe it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days, so as soon as I get a break in the weather, I'll get out here and I'll plant all those onions that I got. I think. I don't know. I may free up some space in my main garden and plant the onions in those raised beds and bring something in here. So I just need to go look at the plan and rework it. So anyway, garden season's here, and from here on out, you're probably going to have a garden video at least once a week from us. So talk to you guys later, and happy gardening.